All right, good afternoon. November 720 Sierra here. Steve in Lead City. And I have November 720 Sierra sitting right here, although you can see running all over the place. We are working on the rear fuselage. JR is with me. And we pre-clecoed up some ribs here. Okay. Let's see, what rib is this? Rib 8. And 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. Pre-clecoed, we have the rib jig out. We have not riveted anything. That's what we're going to do right now. So you can see us do some riveting. And Shiloh wants to help out. It's a little difficult for her though because she likes to hold everything and get in the way. Anyway, what else have you? Yeah, we're going to start doing some riveting. We pre-clecoed this stuff up just to check it out. We're going through the instructions. Sling forgot to send me, well, they back ordered, on page number 1, parts number 1 and 2, which these 3 parts all go together. We're using those 2 parts that are supposed to come in last Friday, but with the hurricane, so UPS is behind like everything else. So it's supposed to be here tomorrow, actually, Monday, we'll see. But in the meantime, we can start riveting up some of these pieces. We can get the bottom skin out and start getting ready to put the ribs into the bottom of the airplane. So got a lot to do. We're going to try to work on it. She's running all over the place and have to keep an eye on her. So let me put her down, see what happens. All right. All right, so what do we need to do? We said we need to do these. Okay. So
That side, next.
okay, and then from this direction? We've already determined that? Okay. All right, just double checking. Yeah. So this is the new DeWalt rivet gun that I told you guys about earlier. And so we are using that instead of the pneumatic one, which is over in the drawer over there. We could use either or both. We just decided we don't need those all right now, so all of them. So we'll just do these right here. Yeah, we may have to do a little pre-drilling on some of these things. Been a while since I charged up anything. We have had a hurricane come through here since the last time. So we haven't got everything back to normal yet, but we're getting there. Okay, I'm going to turn off the camera for a minute because all we're doing is riveting. You guys have seen us rivet before. I'll turn it back on in a little bit when we get to another section. Yes, you want to be on the video, so say hi to everybody. Say hi. There you go. Good girl. All right, November 720 Sierra. This is Steve and JR in the garage. And we put all the ribs together. And then we put them on the jig. Okay, got my ham radio on the garage also. So anyway, we've got the whole ribs 5, 4, 3, and 2 are on the jig. But they are clecoed in, but not riveted. So next time we come over, we're going to do the riveting. But we just wanted to get them all set on here so that you could see it. And it took a little while figuring it out. And but they're all clecoed in correctly, and we've got everything right. Go ahead and put it down. Put it back. So we're just laying the whole jig down on my table, and we're just going to leave it here until we come back the next time, and the next group of work we'll do is start riveting all these ribs together. We riveted some of the earlier ones that we did earlier, and you saw us do that. So that's okay. And I should have the two pieces that are missing that hold all three of those pieces together. I should have, supposed to be, UPS is supposed to deliver them tomorrow. We'll see. I do have to go to work tomorrow, so we'll see. Hurricanes been through. Let's see. This is Sunday night. Hurricane came in through Monday night. I did not lose electricity here in the house, but a lot of people did, and they did not get electricity back on for 5 to 6 days. So I did lose internet, so I was out of internet for a long time. So everything's back for me. There are still some people in the Houston area that don't have electricity. I got my generator here in case I needed it, but I didn't need it this time. I have used it before. All right, I guess that's it for tonight. About 8 o'clock, 8:30, something like that. And we're going to call it quits for tonight. And next time he comes over, we're going to work on riveting all these ribs together and taking them off the jig. So we've got them all down and in the right spots, and took a while to figure some of this out, but we got it. Anything else?
Oh, okay. Very good. We see why we needed the jig.
Yeah.
Definitely see why we need the jig.
So,
Parts alignment isn't always intuitive.
yeah. We did get it pretty well aligned once we started using the jig. So, all right. Thank you all. Please like and subscribe. I'm up to 145 subscribers. Well, about 140 actually. Could always use more, but it's Sunday night. Next Saturday, I leave early in the morning, like 6 a.m., 5 a.m. Well, actually, my wife gets off from the fire station at 6. Should be back here about 7. And at that point, we're going to turn around and leave, turn and burn, and we're going to get out of here and go to Oshkosh. Drive to Little Rock for the first night, and then Oshkosh the next night. We'll be in late Sunday night, and we'll be at the show on Monday through Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday are travel dates again. We're not going to stay for the final weekend. All right, see you guys. See a lot of you at Oshkosh, or some of you anyway. All right, well, thank you very much, and talk to you later.